Tired of juggling crypto across multiple platforms? Today, we're simplifying your life by showing you exactly how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Etoro. First, let's log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to the Send, Receive button. Usually located on the top right of your screen, click Send. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. In this example, we'll use Bitcoin. But the process is similar for other supported coins. Enter the amount you wish to send. Make sure you double check this. Next, head over to your Etoro account, find the deposit option, then select crypto deposit. Choose the same cryptocurrency you selected on Coinbase Bitcoin. In our case, Etoro will now generate a unique deposit address for you. This is crucial. Carefully copy this address to your clipboard. Be extremely careful when copying your receiving address, as the transaction will be lost if it's incorrect. Back on Coinbase, paste the Etoro deposit address into the to field. Verify the address again. A small mistake here can be costly. Coinbase will likely ask you to confirm the transaction and may require two-factor authentication. Follow these security steps to authorize the transfer. The transfer is now initiated. It may take some time, depending on network congestion, for the transaction to be confirmed and appear in your Etoro account. Check your Etoro transaction history to monitor its progress. Once confirmed, the crypto will appear in your Etoro wallet, ready for trading. Remember to always consider potential fees associated with transferring crypto between platforms, and that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from Coinbase to Etoro.